Oh, now it's starting. Hi, Kasinath. Now it's starting.
Yeah. Okay. Hi, bro. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. How about you?
Yeah, I'm also good. Where
Okay,
are you from?
so I'm from West Bengal. Yeah, and you?
Yeah, I'm from Telangana.
Okay, so I also want to ask you one thing. Like before this conversation, have you? What was the person? Who was that person you talked before me?
What?
Who was that person you talked before me? Before this conversation?
Before?
Yeah.
Yeah, till now I have 10 to 12 videos, bro. I'm talking. I have 10 to 12 videos. Different peoples, not only one person like that.
So you don't have your own channel? You don't upload?
Yeah, I upload already in my YouTube channel. That.
You also have. Okay, that's good. That's good. Nice to know that. So approximately how many videos you have there on your channel?
Yeah, just maybe 10 to 12 videos I posted in my YouTube channel. And
Yeah, that's good. But uh,
bro.
how did you connect with them? Like you making the videos with your friends? Because maybe now we are recording this conversation, so it will be I will upload this on YouTube, so people they can also understand how we do. How can we upload on this YouTube? How can we connect with friends? Like we are also talking first time
Actually,
now. We
actually, for me, how I am recording, I will explain with you.
yeah.
Do you know nowadays, bro? I am learning with WhatsApp and Telegram groups. That time, I'm making friends, and I'm
Okay.
explaining about with my friends about my channel with my friends. They are also helping me. Before, I'm asking, friend, I need one video with you because my YouTube channel purpose. Nowadays, I'm posting in my YouTube channel about English videos like that. They are also agree with me. I am recording that. I'm posting in my YouTube channel. Yeah, some people
Okay.
do. You know, they are wantedly downloading Skype application. Before they are not using Skype.
Okay, yeah, same here. I also asked many my friends. We can also do this. In this way, you can also, after some days, you can also watch your videos and you can just realize how you improving yourself.
Yes, of course. Yeah, in this process, we are learning, and as well as we
Yes,
are providing some knowledge is also some people because so many people they are good in English, but they are not doing any day.
yes, yes.
That is the
Because you
problem.
just before this conversation, you just mentioned the Asraful, one of also YouTuber who also used to upload some videos on YouTube channel. So,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
yeah.
I have one conversation with Ashraful. It's my first conversation. Then I created one video. That is my first conversation with Ashraful.
Okay, so I also, if in future, our Asraful, if watch this video, so I also want to be wish I can make video and conversation with him.
Yeah,
Because I
maybe.
also watched on videos you and Asraful, so you both talked there on this conversation, and in this conversation videos, we can also learn some sentence word. How can we talk in this language? It's very helpful for who
Of
are
course,
also learners.
because we are beginners, we are using
Yeah.
simple English words. That's why so many
Yes.
people they understood very well simple
Yes.
English. Because you know some people they are using very fast English. Some people who is beginner they don't understand. They are going to confuse. But when we are talking, that time everybody easily understood. Who is nowadays trying to learn English? They understood
Yes.
very well.
Yeah, and mostly India, and we have different dialects accent. So we are just try to express our explanation, whatever we want to say, so they can understand, they can catch our words and sentences easily.
Yes. Of course, you are right.
Otherwise, you can find lots of YouTube videos how to improve, how to communicate, but it's from comes from this type of videos from another countries. So all people are not able to catch their words. I also facing the problem when I used to watch the YouTube videos to foreigner like American or British. I am not able to understand their all words. I missed some many words, not some many words I missed. What they are saying, what they are speaking about what. So maybe for mostly the Indians here, they can also understand my accent. I'm not sure, but maybe I hope they can understand.
Yeah, of course you are right. Everybody understood your English. You speaking English very well.
Yeah, thank you. And you're also, because I before that conversation I didn't recognize you are the same person. But now I realize I saw you before. Then
You
I
know, I'm beginner.
remember I saw you in
As
another video.
I'm learning nowadays. Maybe in future I will speak very well in English, but not right now.
Yes, yes. No, no, yeah, English is good, but we need more consistency. If we do practice every day, then we will get easily.
Hmm, okay. Yeah, bro, but nowadays I'm not getting enough time. That's why sometimes I'm feeling guilty because I'm not preparing English. I'm not spending my time for English. That's why I'm not improving like that. Huh.
So, except this friends group, do you use any other way to improve your English?
Yeah.
So, what's your another way to improve your English? Do you have any other way, like except talk like this with your group? You already mentioned you have some WhatsApp group and some Telegrams group. So, except these groups, do you use to improve your English on other way?
Yeah, right now I don't have any other ways, bro. Nowadays I'm participating in this Skype application, but before I don't have any. Before not before. Maybe till now I don't have any other source. Just I have Telegram and WhatsApp only.
And
In the
like,
past,
have
yeah,
you?
I forgot to say, bro. In the past, I use Facebook for English, but when I
Okay,
got Telegram, WhatsApp, from that time to till now, I'm not using any Facebook.
okay. So now mostly think we mostly Indian here. They can understand and maybe they can also speak little bit. But problem is that they are not able to speak because of lack of confidence. Personally, I feel that because I try to speak, I try to improve my English since 1 year. So maybe I am little bit confident, but who are also others who are beginners? They feel very uncomfortable to talk in English. So what you
Of
wanted to
course,
say for
of
them?
course, you are
Because
right,
now
bro.
you and I are facing camera, we can talk to each other face to face. But for beginners, it's not easy.
Yeah, I'm beginner, bro, but I am confident fellow. Like I started my journey 3 months ago, but I'm doing more hard work about that.
Yes, yes, I can feel it. It's your hard work is working for you. Otherwise, in 3 months, it's not easy to face with someone to talk in English language.
Yeah, because I am taking always challenge like that. Yeah, if I get any enough time, I'm trying to talk with someone. That's why, do you
Yeah.
know? Once upon a time, that people, so many friends, they are avoiding me, but nowadays they are calling me wantedly.
Yes, yes. I also felt the thing. That time I still remember when I was so beginner, that time I just used to ask some very normal things. Hi, how are you? Where are you from? What are you eating? What are you doing? That's it. That was my level in this English. So that time also who are very good in English, they were very good that time. And they are not interested to talk with me at that time because I was totally beginner and I had no sentence, I had no word that time. But nowadays I can feel I'm not saying that I'm at too much good level, but at least in this level I can communicate with someone.
Yeah,
So
maybe,
people also attract me.
yeah,
If you are doing
if
very
you
good, like, yeah.
you want to go anywhere, maybe this level is enough. You can manage every person, every
Really,
country.
you think that? You think so? I can manage it.
Yes, of course you manage because I'm confident because I have already conversation with native speaker.
Hmm.
She is also understanding my
Yeah,
pronunciation very well.
yeah,
That's why I'm telling with you. Your
yes,
English is
yeah.
very
It's
good.
good. Yeah,
Yeah.
your English is good. We can now, yes, but yeah, I don't think so. In future, let's see. Do you have any opportunity to talk with any native speakers for understanding your level?
Bro, actually, I have one friend in Facebook. She is from Facebook friend. but we have good relationship. Sometimes I'm calling, I'm making conversation with her. I said before, ma'am, I'm so and so Telugu medium student. Nowadays I'm trying to learn English. Like that,
Yeah.
I explained about me. Yeah, she's also understanding me, and from that time to till now, she is helping. Like if I'm posting any message, she is doing correct. Like if I'm doing any grammatical mistakes, she will try to correct my messages. Like
Yes, that's a good thing.
yeah, I got that type of friend. Uh, yeah, but I'm right now I'm happy. But when I am busy, like from 1 month, I'm not making any conversation with her. That is the
Okay.
problem. But before, I have some 3 to 5 conversation I have with her. You can check. You
Don't
can
leave
check.
it.
You check in my YouTube link. She is
Yes, yes.
available. Like
Okay, after this conversation, you can share this channel. I will watch it because I don't remember right now. But I feel like I watch you many times on YouTube videos because I also used to watch this kind of conversation videos because this is my also the process, the way to learning. Because
yeah, yeah,
all of you, I got this confident. To be honest, yeah, like all of you who are uploaded these videos.
yeah, bro. Do you know we are not using any other source like Camly, Kaplingu, but we are
Hmm.
making videos with friends because we are
Yes,
confidence.
yes, yes,
Because
and
we
this
are
is a very good thing. Everyone cannot afford monies for taking subscription is high class this type of applications. So this is a very good source. In this way, you can also improve. You can also connect with others, and you can also feel confident.
yes, you're right. You're right. That's why I'm making videos. But I'm getting some appreciations is also with someone. Yeah, in this way, sometimes we are getting appreciation. Sometimes we are getting discouragement.
Yes,
we want to feel both.
yes, but keep spirit in yourself and believe yourself. You can do it, and we can do it also. Because in this way, lots of people are here to discourage you, and also others people encourage you. So it's up to you. How can you handle it, the situation?
Yeah,
And
yeah,
now
yeah.
this is the way we are communication in this language. Maybe you live in Hyderabad and I live in West Bengal, so maybe our language is so different. Can you speak Bengali?
No, bro, no. I cannot speak any Bengali words because I have one friend in Bangladesh. His name is Ona. We
Hmm.
can talk each other so many times, but we use only one word. हम तुम्हें भलो बची दो
Oh
एक
my God,
single
this is
word.
very common
We
word.
laugh.
Yes,
We
yes,
laugh because this word is in a Telugu film. That's why I use this word only. I explain always. She laugh always. No,
yeah,
Kashi, she's word meaning is different.
yeah.
Like that.
In Hyderabad, you use to communicate in Telugu. Am I right? Telugu.
Yes, we can use Telugu. But do you know? I know three languages, bro. Telugu, Hindi, English.
Okay.
Little bit.
Yes, just suppose I also can speak Hindi, and just suppose if I don't know Hindi, you don't know Hindi, because in every Bengal people, everyone not don't good in Hindi. So this is the English the also already one way we can communicate. We live in the same country, but we don't know each other's language, and so
Yes.
that's also the reason we need this language to communicate with someone.
Yeah. Okay, bro. In my side, I'm getting some disturbance. Like I'm in beside road. Maybe you are
Okay,
listening
yeah,
some sound.
yes, I can hear some vehicle sounds.
Maybe we can't continue more time. Thank you.
Okay, so it was nice to talk to you. See you later.
Thank you, brother.
Yeah, thank you.